Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior of the 2026 Subaru Motorhome. Signature Subaru design, features like the C-shaped LED headlamps and hexagonal grille are probably going to remain on the front end. Accessibility features include two rear doors for access to the kitchen or rear storage space, as well as a sliding door on the passenger side for simple access to the cabin area. Roof, the pop-up roof, integrated LED off-road lights, and perhaps retractable side awnings for weather protection will be the most noticeable features. Interior, compact kitchen, a tiny side kitchenette furnished with a compact compressor refrigerator, a fold-out sink, and a portable induction or single-burner stove. Cookware storage will be maximized. Sleeping area, a sofa that can be made into a double bed can serve as the primary bed. Lounge dining area, comfortable seats for 2 to 4 people, together with a fold-out table that can be stored. Storage hanging cabinets, underbench drawers, and floor standing sections are just a few of the many ingenious hidden storage options that make the most of the restricted area. Materials, with a dash of contemporary and practical design, the inside materials will be lightweight, long-lasting, and easily cleaned. Engine, Subaru's iconic boxer engine, which may be a plug-in hybrid PHEV or mild hybrid for increased fuel economy and short-range electric driving. An excellent choice might be a 2.5L or 2.4L turbocharged gasoline engine. From the Outback XT or Ascent models, electrical system, an inverter to supply 220 volts AC power, integrated solar panels on the roof for charging, and a sizable lithium-ion battery for off-grid power. Connectivity features include an integrated navigation system, a sizable infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and potentially a Wi-Fi hotspot. Heating and cooling system, good ventilation for warmer weather and an integrated diesel heater for comfort in colder climates. Subaru Safety, EyeSight technology and Subaru's sturdy body design provide high levels of passive and active safety.